Hey friends, if you wish to reset app volume, devices and preferences in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure, but let us understand what this is about first. So if I click on the sound icon here, I can see the volume mixer. A lot of times I change the volume for a lot of channels here. Okay, and I might not even remember these changes. So if I wish to revert all of them and then change it to 100% or 75% or in sync, then here's the procedure and it can be very useful. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane select sound. Scroll down and then click on uh, volume mixer. Okay, and under volume mixer there's an option reset sound devices and volumes for all the recommended defaults. Simply click on reset, and once you see the tick mark here, it means that all of these preferences have been set to default. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.